Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're watching cringy videos by Sir Cringe. Dun, dun, dun. So guys, are you ready? We are now gonna start. Don't forget to go check out my friend Gman630 and his brother Rhinodimus. Go check out their videos, and please consider subscribing. And now we are gonna start. Try not to cringe. Oh, I need headphones. Get this quick. Hi, Mommy. I'm making a cringe video. Yep. So, guys, we're gonna start the cringe compilation.
Thinking of the holidays. Think, bang, bang. That's hot. Think, boom, boom. We have a huge selection of 500 grams to light up your sky. That's hot. Hot. Buy one, get three free. Now that's
Can Sir Cringe go away? Yeah, so this is so cringy. So cringy. So cringy.
What do you got there? Wow.
That blonde is gold. I don't know where to sell it. What should I do with it?
Don't ask me.
Keep it.
Everything I do is wrong. Tell me, what's the reason? Well, we have to find a good place.
You can't go wrong when you turn your unwanted gold and jewelry into cash.
Okay. Bruno Mars. Okay. Okay. Nope.
Oh, it's the Credit Mac Daddy.
The Credit Mac Daddy is in the house. Walking, talking, bringing it down. I know
This
what
is the
you
worst
need. You
rap
need a
ever.
car. One that looks good that'll take you very far. Got credit problems? Not these days. The Credit Mac
No.
Daddy gets you out of the haze. If you got a good job and $7.99, call the Credit Mac Daddy. Leave your worries behind. Georgia Car Credit in Moultrie, Tifton, and Thomasville.
Soon to be in Albany and Valdosta.
Great cars, no credit check.
It's as easy as pie.
Of course, that's my favorite part. You just dumped him.
Hi, Marty McDermott for the Martin Fine Furniture Store, the only furniture business in Indiana.
Oh,
And
this
our
is like
prices
from
are out of
Goldberg's,
this
if
world.
any of you watch that.
50% off everything, every day.
It's like the thing
Free
Goldberg
share
tried to
with
do.
every sofa purchase. Free deliveries, free setup, and 6 months free
He has a
finance.
blaster.
Mr. Martin, did all these Martians buy our furniture? Yeah, and I hope they don't expect free delivery all the way to Mars.
You got that right.
My name is Cecil. I'll sell you gas or diesel cars on my lot. Some of them new, some of them not. I got a tricked out crew. They got one job to do. Tend to your needs, take good care. Make sure they treat you honest and fair. So many deals
This
far and
it's so
above. One of
edited.
these, baby,
It's like
you're
he
sure to like. Come find
he
your
said
car and
he
we'll
like
do our part, 'cause
said
I'm Cecil
all of
Myers,
it.
the dealer with a heart.
He like said all of this and edited it all together. We forgot.
8.9.
Okay.
Mr. Spock and
Star
I
Trek.
have beamed down to make contact with the inhabitants of Omicron 12.
I'm detecting the presence of alien life, Captain.
Ooh, look at those eyeballs. Wow, look at that communicator. It's a Frank Communications cellular phone. Hot dog, you guys are really advanced.
Fascinating.
Frank Communications, 1706 by Planet Earth.
Yeah. What the heck?
Yeah, we're about to hit the streets to do some mad
Yeah,
shopping.
guys,
So much selection.
comment if you want me to do different things, like more cringy things.
Hundreds of styles of fabric for this player. They also got wool for when I crochet. Clothes, draperies, and scrapbooking. Bedding, food, even rug hooking. Rock
This is
bottom
all.
prices, my
This is
shopping
like.
cart's full. It's Lens
I'm not gonna
Mills
say it because I'm
This
not.
is how
They use it on Project Girl anyway.
peace.
I think it's their store. Why is there so many furniture stores? He doesn't know how to use a baseball bat as a weapon.
How about this die-cast sectional for only $5.99? Folks, come on into Town and Country Furniture and see this beautiful 5-piece bedroom suit for only $5.99. Come on down to Town and Country where we're beating down the competition.
Is everything $5.99?
Carrier Parkway, Grand Prairie, Texas.
I hope it is.
We need someone to fight for Rockingham County schools against the tightening grip of unfunded mandates.
That's the most...
I believe in more local control over our own schools, because I have more than enough faith in the parents and teachers of Rockingham County.
That's the most edited lightsaber. You can see it going like around these edges.
To defend a bright and shining future for the children.
This is how you're supposed to do that stance. And you're supposed to point it back like this, not... He does not know it's okay. Do it.
Elect Christopher Knight, a new hope for Rockingham County schools.
I'm here at JMP Automart, where they've been selling quality pre-owned vehicles for over 50 years. As you know, the new generation has been dealing and accepting all reasonable offers. All of these great deals have forced us to increase our inventory. We have models for all your needs.
Why is she on the car like that?
Not that model. This model. Not that model. This model. Not that model. This model.
Check this out. Most of our vehicles come back with a 3-month or 4,000-mile powertrain warranty.
Okay. It's a boot
You know,
store.
Miss Me shirts are a bestseller.
Really? Why do they sell so good?
Because they make you look so good.
So, what do you think?
Okay. That's creepy. Whatever company made this. Whoever thought of this was not thinking right. Did he say making the pizza?
It's time to make the Go Wireless switch to a better phone.
Choose from 12 of the hottest phones, free, including the
How old is this?
The best nationwide minute plans
How long ago was this
friendly
made?
local customer service and free
I
accessories.
like it. I'm not subscribing now.
Choose from 12 of the hottest phones, free, including the Razor.
The best nationwide minute plans with my faves.
Friendly local
Faves.
customer service
Was
and
this
free
in the
accessories.
90s? This was in the 90s. Because he said faves. This is in the 90s.
I don't know why they call it Labor Day. Not a lot of labor going on, really. Everybody takes a day off, maybe do some barbecue, then they come to Century Sweet Kia and buy new cars. Well, that works for us. Maybe that's why they call it Labor Day, because it works.
Buy a brand new Kia
It's
4J
not,
Coupe
that's
for
not,
just
no,
$125 monthly with zero down.
Hurry to Century
I don't
3
even have to
Kia.
explain it. All of you know what Labor Day is.
Start the fun.
Good thing it bleeped it. You just touch it.
What's that? Do you have insurance on this car?
No.
It must be Eagle Man.
Oh my, give me house.
I've got something for you.
Oh my, give me. He pooped an egg. Insurance.
Hi, I'm the hip-hop magician Uncle Magic. I'm who the celebrities call for their kids' birthday parties. We have magic shows, balloon animals, games for
That kid was taught, was trained to do that. He's like,
and bouncing castles. Who's your favorite uncle?
Those for people that have credit problems. Norton Furniture is here for you. Now, seriously, if you can't get credit in my store, you can't get credit anywhere. My name is Mark. You can count on it.
Whoa! What's all the racket? My dude, nice going to get that movie down there.
1660.
Drowsy driving, it doesn't sound serious, does it? The effects of drowsiness is actually just as bad as the effects of alcohol. A lack of good sleep has a serious impact on your ability to pay attention and react while driving.
that was so edited. Did you guys see that? He was like, get out of my video.
We got big appetites. That's why we go to China Star's banquet room.
Banquet.
Just ask the kid folk. I like the beef food best, but he likes the chicken. He's right, I like the chicken. I just love that egg.
Spicy beef.
Crab legs! China Star
this car came from nowhere. It hit us from the side. I was injured real bad. Thanks to Arrowhead Clinic, I got treated real fast. So don't waste another minute. Dial 770-961-PAIN. 770-961-PAIN. If you've been injured in a car wreck and in need of a check, dial 770-961-PAIN. They can treat you for your injuries first. And if you ask, they can recommend a lawyer to get what you deserve.
Arrowhead's very popular. What the heck? I did not know they had that.
Not an enthusiastic rugged rider. All I wanted to do is relax. No time, boring Billy. You've got to help me drown out high carpet price. Okay, fine. Come on down the carpet.
This is the least weird one. The best 3.
No, I'm not a fan of Japanese, but you know what it is? Sushi Bar Kisu, located on Marketplace in Little Silver, New Jersey.
Okay.
Kisu means real Japanese. It's best
Kisu.
Take out a free delivery when you drive to our location on Marketplace. Consider Madra sushi at low prices. Come to Sushi Bar Kisu.
This dude seems he's so depressed.
Chin chin, boy boy.
He does not know how to speak
Dude,
Japanese.
I'm hungry. Well, why don't we give Big Al's Pizza a call? I heard they're the best pizza in town. All right. Got it.
Hey.
You idiots. I said Big Al's Pizza, not Big Owl's Pizza.
For the best pizza in town, make sure you get the name and number right. Big Al's Pizza, 452-7200.
7,200.
You're the insurance guy. I can pay up. How much? You best pay it all. Then some. Car wreck, call Jeff Mark.
Sí hablo español.
No. I'm gonna see. Nobody messes with attorney Jeff Mark.
His face was so depressed.
Pay me now.
Greediest man in the world.
But I can't afford it.
I don't care.
I've got to
So much greedy. That is a major sin.
feed my family. I'll call Denver Crow. I'll call Denver Crow.
Don't you dare make him settle for a payment you
Scared now.
afford as low as $99 a month. That's the power of the new bank.
Don't you dare. Nope, nope, not that. Don't watch this. No. Guys, don't look at that. So, guys, thank you for watching. And goodbye. Because it's time to make these